Did you know that over 50% of people prefer watching videos with voiceovers rather than just text? Yet, creating professional audio can be both expensive and time-consuming. Trying to get a professional voiceover can feel like navigating a maze. You spend hours searching for the right voice, negotiating prices, and waiting and waiting. Not to mention, if you want multiple languages, the complexity skyrockets. If you continue down this path, you're left with videos lacking the professional touch that keeps viewers hooked. Your message might be powerful, but it risks being lost in the noise without the right delivery. Enter Speechelo, the text-to-speech software that promises to revolutionize your video content. In just 3 clicks, you can have stunning, human-sounding voiceovers in over 30 languages. Say goodbye to the hassle and hello to simplicity. The first standout feature is its ability to convert any text into natural-sounding speech. Imagine having an AI that understands emotional nuances to make every word count. Next, let's talk about language diversity. With Speechelo, you're not limited to English. It supports 30 languages, broadening your reach and making your content relatable globally. But don't just take my word for it. With over 100,000 happy users and countless positive reviews, Speechelo is a trusted choice for content creators worldwide. People rave about the quality and ease of use. Ready to transform your content? Click the link below to get Speechelo today and elevate your videos with professional voiceovers. Act now, and you might just unlock a special bonus.